Thank you very much, Mheshimiwa Mawadhi. I can see you are indeed really popular here. Extremely popular, and that is really encouraging. I will not say much. As you know, we are in church. We shall be talking more outside. As is our tradition, as in Azimio, we don't politic in church. But then allow me, first and foremost, to congratulate Bishop Jonah Obonyo and Mrs. Obonyo, together with all the congregants of Cathedral of Praise Ministries International, for this wonderful achievement. We have been challenged to invest before we can reap. We shall be striving to invest in this cathedral, which is under construction, in the coming weeks, months, and if possible within the next 1 year, so that when it is finally completed, our investments is also there. So we want to thank you, Bishop Jonah. Really, you are a wonderful man. Bishop Jonah, as you know, is my constituent. He is a very, very, very humble servant of God. And he continues to be a source of inspiration to our people, not only at home, but all over the world. Can we clap for him once more? Nikimalizia, we have been challenged to be risk takers. I want to assure you today that we are for sure going to be taking risks. You know, Bishop, without really getting into politics, I've just heard this morning the police. And I want to appeal to those who are currently controlling the instruments of state that please get your priorities right. The police have got a more urgent duty to deal with the rampant insecurity and banditry in the North Rift, and also to pursue the killers, those who have killed hundreds of people in Kilifi. Not to go around chasing leaders. And let me say this. We never asked for your permission, the police, to demonstrate. And under the new constitution, we don't need the permission of any person. Any person. We simply notified you. And it is your duty to provide security to those who will be exercising their right under Article 37 of the Constitution. And therefore, as we had earlier announced, on Tuesday we have a date with this thing. And we are going to undertake very serious demonstrations. It's the duty of the police to provide security to those who will be demonstrating and those who will not be demonstrating. But more importantly, if you want us to stop these demonstrations, just do a simple thing. Do those things that Honorable Mawadhi has said. Reduce the cost of power, reduce the cost of food, okay? And ensure that you undertake all that we ask you to undertake among our five conditions. But more critically, it is important as Kenyans to realize that what we are currently doing is for the benefit of the people, not for the benefit of one of the leaders. And therefore, and you must also remember, I think there was this writer in Nigeria, I think Wole Soyinka, Your Excellency Kalonzo, who once wrote that a tiger does not proclaim or pronounce its tigritude, it just pounces. So stop reminding us that you have got instruments of state. Use those instruments properly to protect wananchi and their property. And allow wananchi, those who want to demonstrate peacefully. And I want to conclude by saying that our demonstrations shall continue to be peaceful until and unless they are disrupted by the police. With those very many remarks, allow me, before I invite the Honorable Jeremiah Kioni, to just acknowledge Honorable Aladwa, who is our chairman in Nairobi. Just to say a word.
Asante Mheshimiwa Wandayi. Bwana asifiwe. Sitaki kwenda kwa mengi.